Hi everyone, this is Sydney with Create the Heart, and I'm back with another project. So this project is kind of a case from Live Love Scrap, I think it is. It's Bona, and she made these really cute sort of gift card style card envelopes. I'm not exactly sure what she called them, but basically you make an envelope and you stick a card in it. You tape down the card to the front, and then the back leaves it open for like a gift card or a package of treats. And so this could be a package of treats. So let me show you the ones I made, and then I'll show you quickly how I made them. So I killed this pad. This is the rest of this pad, which I have used for other projects. And this is the Enchanting Recollections paper pad. And it's all sort of unicorn and mermaid, which is like the big thing right now. And I really love this one. Really, really nice. I used almost every piece of it. I'm going to use the rest of it for this project I'm going to show you guys. And then it's pretty much killed. I also used this sort of matching, I don't know if it's matching, but it was a unicorn washi. They had a mermaid one, and now I regret not getting it, and this unicorn one that I had bought. And so there's some generic ones in here that you could use for other types of projects or for your planners or whatever, which I think I intended to use it for that. But I did use some washi on here as well. And then last but not least, I pulled out gems and, what are these, enamel dots or whatever that I could also use for it. And then the stamps, I just pulled a variety of stamps. Some of them I put away, but just to give you an idea, I used Greeting Farm Anya. I used Greeting Farm Little Mermaids. I used Magical Unicorns for my favorite things. And I think I also used, I want to say, an Avery L unicorn as well. So this size, I believe it's 3x4. And I used the paper to make the envelope, and the paper is not double-sided, so I had to put paper on the other side of it, otherwise it would not look as nice. So I put a paper sack here just to give you an idea. If you want to do treats in the back, you could do that. And then I colored in the mermaid with my Copic markers. And then this one is Wishing You a Magical Day. Same sort of thing, except this envelope is supposed to be the same size, but it looks a little smaller. But you can see how I did that one. And then there's a space here to put something. This one is definitely a little bit smaller. I was just playing around with size, Wishing You a Magical Day. And then this one right here is You Mermaid to Be Awesome. I colored that in with my Copics as well. Put some gems there, and then there's space here, whatever it is that you want to put. Okay, so making this envelope is pretty easy. Basically, I used this one. Now, I had gotten rid of my other Memory Keepers envelope punch board, because this one I could punch a variety of different things with one, and I was just really trying to downsize a little bit. Kind of regret it, because the punch lines are slightly different on this one for the envelopes as they are for the original punch board. So in the original punch board, if you look at it, it will give you measurements for using 6x6 paper to make an envelope, and this one does not. It jumps from 5 5/8, I think, to size of the paper, I think, is the largest, and then it jumps to 6 1/4. And then if you try and fudge around with the paper, it doesn't quite work out. But in order to use that same punch board, you could do this. Just cut your paper at 6x6, because I want to use the 6x6 paper pad. And then you're going to punch at 2 5/8, I believe is the mark. So you'll punch at 2 5/8, and then it will create a roughly 3x4 envelope, which is a perfect size, which is what I did with this one. This is paper that I had left. So you're going to put in the sides and then the middle. And then what I do for the little points, I like my points rounded. So, I mean, that's just up to you, like what you like. So I just punch that and get those rounded because that's what I like. And that does that for you. And then you're not going to fold in this other side. You're going to leave that blank. So what I'm going to do before I do that is I am going to cut down some paper. And let's see. I think this is, maybe knock over. This inside is about a little bit more, about 4 inches or so. So I'm going to cut this down to 4 inches. I'm going to tape it inside, and then I'm going to cut it down. That way I have paper on here. So you gotta be smart with how you do it. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna use my ATG, and I'm gonna do the point and sort of these edges right here, and then I'm gonna do the bottom of the paper, which is a little bit off camera. Sorry about that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put it here at the top, center it the best that I can. And it's okay if it's not exact, because everything's get folded over and you're not going to really notice it. But it's just to give you a more finished look if you don't have double-sided paper. This particular paper just didn't happen to be double-sided. I mean, most paper that I buy, or most paper you will buy, is going to be double-sided. But this one just, for some reason, is not. So, and then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go not quite to the point. And there we go. So there's your envelope. Super, super easy. And so what I have here is I've already stamped this You Are Magical. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of cut a bit of a triangle out. And that just helps me kind of slip it in. I'm going to cover up this part where I kind of messed up a little bit. And I have it sticking out like that. So in order to do that, I had a pencil here. I think one of my children, oh, here it is. And I kind of make a little mark to kind of give me an idea of where to put my ATG tape, because it's going to be at the front of the card, because we're going to leave the back open. So you kind of position it how you want it. And there you go. Made in the shade. So then what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of washi here on the bottom just to jazz it up a little bit. And I'm going to do this one right here. So just lay your washi down. And I'm going to use this one as well. So it's just a cute and easy project. Something else you could do is you could put a gift card in here, and then you could put the envelope in like an, a clear sleeve. Give it a cute topper, which is something that I'm thinking about doing. Give it a cute topper. Maybe put some treats in it. So I might do something like that for one of the dance teachers. Still working on that. So there's the washi. Here this is, and then I've got this cute little Avery Elle unicorn. And I just need to find out what I did with my pop dots here, or my foam squares. So I'm going to foam square this. And this is a really fun way, too, to kill a paper pad, because you could just have these on hand, but they're also really cute for treats for like a birthday party, for school gifts, teacher gifts. You wanted to do something cute, you could decorate it in like kind of school theme, put a gift card in there, or a coffee theme and do a coffee gift card or something like that. I think it's really, really cute and easy. Sorry, these suckers are really on there this time. Okay, almost done here. Get the last of it. I'm gonna put some gems on here, and then I'm gonna stick a gift card in here. All right, so then you can put wherever you want to put him. Put him here because I think that looks cute. And then let's see. I am going to do this green and this and this. All right, so here we go. Almost done. Put these away real quick so they don't get all over the place. And then I'm going to do gift cards. So here is the envelope. And so the gift card can just fit right inside of here. See that? You could put little treats in there. You could put gift card. You could do a lot of things with that. It's a really good space. And there you go. Isn't that cute? I love this. So I'm going to link to her video so that you can see her make them and see how hers look like. But I just love these. And I was able to finish off that really cute paper pad and make a really cute project. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating the Heart.